Rhinoceros beetle. Ito yung female. No horn. Walang sungay. Ito yung male, lalaki. May sungay. Beetle. Rhinoceros beetle. Uwang sa Tagalog. This is, nahulog na. Ulit. Ayan, nag-away na sila. Uy, ay. Ito yung male, lalaking rhinoceros beetle. This is female rhinoceros beetle. Male, female. Babaeng rhinoceros beetle. Ayan, maingay. This is the sound of female rhinoceros beetle. And this is male rhinoceros beetle, lalaki. Ayan, may sungay with horns.
Sakit na kumap na. Sakit sa balat.
Okay.
Sakit sa balat mo.